Okay, alrighty. Hi there, Dina here. I wanted to do a demo on foam rolling so that those who have foam rollers can start doing these things at home. I just did one on lower body rolling. This is going to be all about upper body rolling. And since you may want to just start with this one first, I'm just going to talk about the foam rollers again. This is the Rollga, so Rollga, Rollga, right? And this is the grid, okay? The difference between this one and the grid, this is flat. So when you roll, you're just getting flat like a pancake, okay? So you're just coming down flat like a pancake. Whereas this one, when you're rolling, you actually have 2 points of contact. You have this point and you have this point, okay? So these are definitely great. The gray ones are the hard version. They do come in a softer one. I've just not bought them because we have softer ones for you to use here. But you can find the softer one. I think it's a white color. The regular density, I think, comes in a few colors. There's gray, there's purple, I think there's orange, okay? Alrighty, and so I am going to show you how to do some upper body rolling. And basically, I think it's just the two, right? So the first one you're going to do is for your back and your T-spine. Right here, we're just going to loosen up your back and T-spine. So you're going to get on the roller, get in the center of it right there. Okay, put your hands behind your head, and you're just going to roll from your top of your shoulders to what I say, the bra line. So about the middle of your back. Okay, and on that Rollga, you're basically going down the center of your back, and those ridges, the roundy part on the Rollga, right, is working the muscles along your spine. Okay, just like that. The second one is for your lats. And you're just going to roll along again like this. So you start at your armpit, your arm is down here nice and relaxed. And you're just going to roll over your shoulder blade like that. Don't get too far down your back, just about to where your bra line is. Okay, what you can also do, so this is where you're going to find a lot of those knots. You can also move the muscle instead of the body. So right here, you would just reach up and down like this. As you're doing this, you're moving the muscle, right? So you may need to just kind of maneuver yourself, find that tight spot. You do some pressure point. Once again, you're not just getting on the roller and going wee fast. It's all about finding that pressure point right freaking there. And if I go like this, it moves, okay? The more you do this, the better you'll get at it. So if the first time you're kind of like, oh, I can't get in there, and yeah, it's just a little bit hard to maneuver, you'll get better at it, okay? Let's see, and then of course foam rolling. Now the shoulders, the lats can be really tight on somebody. So a Rollga may be too hard, in which case you might need something softer like the grid, or something softer, even the I think they call them low density foam rollers. If you want to get some back cracks in, okay, this is a good one here to get some back extension, right here. And what you do is you're going to use the foam roller as a fulcrum. So let me see if I can get this. How would I do this? I think I would go this way. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. And just then bring your shoulders down, right? So you're just moving each vertebrae and just getting a little bit of extra. When you do this, make sure you're not taking your rib cage up like this, right? It's just bam. So it's like a backward C. Okay. there you go, your 2 upper body rolls using foam rolls.